Good afternoon. Look what I'm cleaning up the vegetable garden. See the mess here. That's a bench, steel bench given by the neighbor. And this is the plot of vegetable. These are the this is the soil I got from the by the porch. I used to have vegetable and I moved some of the soil, the earth here, and this is so I have to clean up those those leaves. And this is the garlic I planted last October, so I'm cleaning up this one. I remember I planted this garlic last May. Up to now it's not ready yet, so the mess here I have to clean up. And this is I already cleaned. See, for the tomatoes. And this I just put in, I clean up and I put in the pallet, so the cucumber will climb here. And I'm going to put net, like this net, because there's too much. There are different kinds of animals coming over here. Squirrel, they eat all the vegetable. Squirrel, rabbit, rats, birds. So I'm preparing that. I cleaned it and I'm preparing it, and I will put a net around here. Nice weather. And this one I have to clean up too, prepare it for the flowers. And we put the hose, which I don't like, the hose that I don't want. It will be extended here. It was from the back of the house up to here. Even it get broke, I don't care. I don't like this. It's so heavy, the hose, garden hose. So yeah, we're cleaning up. I'll show you the rubbish, the stones that was taken out from the renovation of the basement. See, I flattened it in one day. See, it's all clean. I hose the porch, so no more dust from the garbage of the cements. And that's already flattened. I made another space here to plant my little vegetables. It's wide enough, so it will accommodate like the onions.
Okay.
Hi. Onions here. And I'm gonna put the sunflower at the back of the fence. So all set. Where is she? She's not coming over. And I'll show you what I'm making seeds. Those are the seeds I'm doing. Okay, let's go inside. Those are the seeds I am waiting to grow. See those? Okay then. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Today is March 23rd, Tuesday. Nice weather. Okay. See you later. Bye-bye.